Hi, today I want to show you a whole food superfood called Irish moss. Irish moss is a great superfood because it has 92 minerals out of the 102 minerals that our body needs. And it also is full of vitamin A, B, C, D, E, and K. It is rich in calcium and it also is rich in potassium as well. So there you have it. It is a great superfood to put in your smoothies or your soups or whatever you want to put it in. It does have a fishy smell to it, but once you put it in or mix it in with your smoothie or your soups, you don't smell the fishy. It doesn't have a fishy taste to it. So I'm getting ready to show you how to make Irish moss. This is what Irish moss looks like. Today we're going to make Irish moss. And here, put a cup of Irish moss and then fill it up, almost 2 cups of water, and let it sit for 6 to 12 hours. 12 hours is better. The water has set for about 10 hours, and before it was just a cup of Irish moss, and now it's hydrated itself, and now you see it's almost 2 times its size. So now we're going to rinse it. Now I'm going to add 1 cup of water to it. So blend it till it's completely smooth. Adding another 1/2 cup to the mixture. Now pour it into a mason jar, and it should be able to keep for up to 2 weeks, maybe even a month. But if you're adding it to your smoothies or soups, now that it's getting colder, you'll be having more soups during this time of year. It'll go by real fast. And the consistency is very smooth. And when you add it to your soups and things, it can be a thickener as well. See the consistency? When you add it to your smoothie, your fruit or vegetable smoothie, add just a tablespoon to your mix. And this is just for 1 cup of sea moss. 1 cup of sea moss made 1 quart and a half pint mason jar.
You see, it gets thick very fast.
Well, that's how you make Irish moss. I hope you enjoyed this video and hope to see you in the next one. Bye.